Okay, we have a Trak 2-axis CNC manual flatbed lathe, model 1630HS-SX. Serial number 09DG62508. This machine was new in 2009. It is the HS, which is the high speed model, which is a 4,000 RPM spindle. It has the Trak SLX control. You have a 5C cowl closer that's on the spindle. 500 RPM right now. 1,000 RPM. $1,500 RPM. He's moving the digital hand wheel in the X-axis, moving the cross slide, and moving the carriage in the Z. He also has a rapid joystick. All right. Machine has a tailstock. Tailstock has a number 5 Morse taper, and it has 6.3 inches of quill travel. All right. Machine also has a cooling system. It can be seen here in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you.